Here's a 2016 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, external memory control, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather sports seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, internal audio memory, smart access key, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and power with tilt-down heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive declares this so-called crossover is impressively smooth, comfortable, responsive in all driving situations, and flexible when it comes to hauling people or cargo. Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. Take it for a test drive today.
At Tustin Lexus, we'll do everything we can to help you drive away in the vehicle that's just right for you. Tustin Lexus, conveniently located at 45 Auto Center Drive in Tustin, California.